executive with the instrumentation team here at Ion Science, and today I'm going to be running you through a Tiger XT unboxing. So, first things first, we have the quick start guide, the warranty registration, this is to extend your warranty for free on our website, the calibration certificate, and also the safety notice. Next up, we have the Tiger XT instrument itself. We have the USB cable to connect to Tiger PC. We have the charging dock, along with the mains adapter. This is a multi-adapter, so it can be used in any plug type. And finally, the accessory kit with spare PTFE filters along with other cleaning equipment as well. Finally, as you'll see, there's a gap in the bottom of our kit. This is so that you can put in your own calibration gas as well, to make sure your instrument's up and running whenever you need it. Thank you. For more information, subscribe or go to ionscience.com.